National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Monroe County, southern Morgan County, southern Johnson County, northern Brown County, northwestern Bartholomew County until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Martinsville, or 13 miles north of Bloomington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated flash. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Martinsville, Edinburgh, Princes Lakes, Trafalgar, Morgantown, Paragon, Tioga, Manalaysville, Spearsville, and Bean Blossom. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 84 and 90. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and south central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Johnson, Monroe, and Morgan. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight.